Frontier Precision has all the solutions you need to work better, faster, more accurately, more efficiently, and profitably.
The partnership with Freefly and Frontier Precision has been amazing. Freefly really focuses on the aircraft and making sure the aircraft is very reliable and robust. And then Frontier Precision focuses on the geospatial and the first responder markets. So for them to be able to take our aircraft and kind of focus it in on certain markets has been a great partnership.
I would absolutely recommend Frontier Precisions. They've been really helpful in every step of the way since we began. It's been a very positive experience working with Frontier Precisions.
How you measure matters. Visit frontierprecision.com to transform the way you do business.